Today, we're talking about a product you've probably seen all over social media, the EcoWarm Heater. It claims to be super efficient, save on electricity, and keep you warm without breaking the bank. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. So here's the deal. The EcoWarm Heater markets itself as the ultimate portable heating solution. It's small, sleek, and promises to warm up your room quickly while cutting down on your electricity bills. But there are a few red flags we need to talk about. First off, let's talk about the physics. For a heater to be truly efficient and generate enough heat to warm a room, it needs the right size and power. The EcoWarm heater is tiny, and its energy claims just don't add up. There's no way a device that small can be as powerful or efficient as advertised. Now, let's move on to user experiences. Spoiler alert, they're not great. Many people who bought this heater reported being disappointed. They said it didn't heat their rooms as promised and the quality felt cheap. But the biggest complaint? Refunds. A lot of customers found it nearly impossible to get their money back. The refund process is complicated and some customers haven't heard back from the company at all. That's a huge red flag for me. And here's something even more concerning. This heater looks exactly like other cheap products being rebranded and sold under different names. It's a classic rebranding scam. Companies buy these items in bulk, slap a fancy new name on them, run heavy social media ads, and sell them at a markup. So, is the EcoWarm heater worth it? Honestly, no. Between the exaggerated claims, the bad reviews, and the refund issues, it's just not a product I'd recommend.